Hi, welcome to part 4 of our trip to Everest Base Camp. Here's the total route, and in this part we cover the circled section heading north towards Tibet. Here's a more detailed map with the elevation profile, which shows we climbed to 2,300 meters. Finally, here's the aerial view showing the Himalayan ridge and the Tibetan plain. Day 5 begins again with public calisthenics, fronted by Ralph here. So we're leaving the previous city, and this is our third day in China. 350 kilometers yesterday, got 300 today. Oh wow, you just come around the corner and there's that. Obviously we're pretty high up, we're climbing all the time. I think we spent last night about 1,500 meters elevation, and we're moving towards 3,000 in a day or two. That's meters, so getting up to 10,000 feet, right? It will have some effect on the bikes, there's some effect on us, and we're going to spend a couple of weeks at altitude, so we need to adapt. It's never a mic trip without some dodgy road or other. This one looks like it's under construction, but you get spoiled by these amazing Chinese highways, the smooth asphalt, tunnels, flyovers, and then this stuff becomes back in Vietnam. While we wait for the car to pass, tour guide Mr. Murray takes a more direct path. This is the Fengqing Confucian temple. Originally constructed in the 1600s during the Ming dynasty, it was relocated and rebuilt to its present site in the 1800s during the Qing dynasty. It sits within the broader ancient Tea Horse Road region. Next day we headed from Baoshan to Laomudeng Village, which is perched at 2,000 metres or 6,500 feet above sea level. We're travelling along Chinese National Highway G219, which is China's longest road at over 10,000 kilometres. And it so happens that this is the number plate of my bike, which makes it very popular with local people. The next stop is Tiger Leaping Gorge on the Nujiang River. Finally we ascend up a series of hairpins to Laomudeng Village. This looks like a popular local tourist area. It's a charming village with amazing views. Great place to spend the night. Pretty awesome room today. It's not the fanciest hotel, but it's right up in the mountains at an altitude that I'll discover later when I look it up. And here's the view. It's a historic bridge and it's just wide enough for that car. In the next video we continue north towards Tibet. Thanks so much for watching, and hope to see you next time. Bye.